this, A vector is given and let B be a vector such that A cross B value is given and A dot B value is given. Then the projection, again projection question came, of B on vector A minus B is what? And this came in JEE 2022 and four options are given. So to find the projection of B vector on A minus B, assume this as V vector, okay? It will be B dot V by magnitude of V. So this we can write it as B dot V is nothing but A minus B vector and magnitude of A minus B. So we can write it as B dot A minus B dot B is magnitude of B square and magnitude of A minus B. So to solve this, first we need to know the value of magnitude of B vector. So let's use the other conditions. We know a property that magnitude of A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square is nothing but magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square. A cross B whole square how much? Magnitude. So its magnitude becomes under root 4 plus 1, that is root 5. So its square will be 5 plus A dot B is 3 square 9. Magnitude of A square, how much it is? Under root 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is under root 6. Whole square will be 6 into magnitude of B square. From here, we'll get magnitude of B as 14 by 6, which becomes 7 by 3. Now, let's find the value of A minus B whole square. We can write it as magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square. This becomes B square, okay? Minus 2 A dot B. So from here, this becomes 6 plus 7 by 3 minus 2 times of 3, that is 6. Plus 6 minus 6 gets cancelled. Magnitude of A minus B becomes under root 7 by 3. Just substitute the values over here. A dot B is 3. This becomes 7 by 3. This is under root 7 by 3. It becomes 9 minus 7, 2, 3 by 7. So second option is the correct answer to this question. In this question, two vectors are given, that is A and B, and it is told if a vector is perpendicular to both the vectors, that is A plus B and A minus B, and it has a magnitude of 12, then one such vector is. Now, this perpendicular to both the vectors, what does it actually tell? From here, we can write it as any vector, let's assume it is R. It is lambda times of A plus B cross A minus B. This we have already discussed that if a vector is perpendicular to both of the vectors, then we can write it as lambda times of U cross V, where U and V are the vectors. Lambda is a scalar quantity. So first let's find A plus B. It becomes 4I cap plus 4J cap, 0K cap. Again A minus B, it becomes 2I cap. Now, this R vector is written as lambda times of I, J, K, because we are taking cross product over here. 4, 4, 0, 2, 0, 4. It becomes lambda times of 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap. Now take 8 common. It becomes 8 lambda 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap. Now the magnitude of r vector is given, that is 12. So let's find this. Here magnitude becomes magnitude of 8 lambda under root 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is given as 12. We can write it as 8 lambda into 3, 12, that is 3 4s are 4 2s are. It becomes magnitude of lambda is 1 by 2. Therefore, lambda can be plus or minus half. If you substitute lambda here, you will get it as r vector is plus or minus 4 into 2 I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap. So here, according to the options, only plus 4 is there and remaining is this. So first option is the correct answer to this question. A and C vectors are given and vector B be such that A cross B is equal to C and A dot B value is given. We need to find the magnitude of B vector. So what's the condition given? That is A cross B is equal to C and A dot B is given as 3. So from here we can write it as magnitude of A into magnitude of B cos theta is equal to 3. Magnitude of A from here you can find it out as under root 3, that is B cos theta is equal to 3 by root 3, that is root 3. And from here cos theta value become as under root 3 by magnitude of B vector. So if you observe a right angle triangle, so if this is theta, cos theta is this will be under root 3 and this is magnitude of B vector. What this becomes under root magnitude of B square minus 3. Now if we take the magnitude on both sides, it becomes magnitude of A, magnitude of B sine theta and magnitude of C, and magnitude of A is root 3, magnitude of B sine theta, magnitude of C is under root 2 here from here. So here we'll get sine theta as under root 2 by under root 3 magnitude of B. Sine and cos, we can write tan theta, that is sine theta by cos theta. It becomes under root 2 by root 3 magnitude of B by root 3 magnitude of B. This can cancel. It becomes root 2 by root 3 into root 3, that is 3. From this diagram, what will be the tan theta? It becomes under root magnitude of B square minus 3 by under root 3. Just equate these two values. You will get it as magnitude of B square minus 3 by root 3 is equal to under root 2 by 3. Just do squaring on both sides. It becomes magnitude of B square minus 3, 2 by 3, right? Okay. From here, magnitude of B square becomes 2 by 3 plus 3, that is 11 by 3. Therefore, magnitude of B becomes under root 11 by 3.